Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to talk about how to add a new user on your computer or laptop for Windows 11. So once you're here in the settings tab of your PC, you're going to go in the left hand side and press on accounts. Once you're here, go into other users, then add other user, add account, wait for it to open, and have this person sign in information. You're going to press on that, just wait a moment, add a user with a Microsoft account, and then you're just gonna create a username. I'm just gonna call it guest1, enter a random password. You might have to add security questions, so I'm just gonna add this. Press next, and there you go, we have created a guest account. So now every time you're gonna sign out of your account, you will be prompted to choose which one you log in with, so guest one or the other administrative one. Anyways, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to leave a like, share, and subscribe, and see you in the next one. Goodbye.